Amenities include swimming pool, kids play area, gymnasium, jogging track, yoga meditation area and acupressure pathway. Healthcare heroes nearby, enjoy peace of mind with the renowned Ved Hospital just 600 meters away, an Ayush multi-speciality hospital within a convenient 4.2 kilometers distance. Education within reach, invest in your child's future. This prime location is under a 5 kilometers radius of the esteemed B.K. Birla College, Kalyan. Total plot or project area acres 0.34 acres, equivalent to American football field. The perfect fit for your dreams. Explore a world of opportunity with not just one, but two proposed building wings. Peace of mind you deserve. Rest assured, with both proposed buildings already sanctioned, your investment is secure. Choice that excites. This project offers a stunning selection of 177 units spread across two elegant buildings. Whether you seek a cozy 1 BHK or a spacious 2 BHK, we have the perfect fit for your lifestyle. Spread your wings, live life to the fullest in an environment that reaches for the sky. With 23 sanctioned floors. Invest with confidence. This project boasts a clean record with no records found in litigation details. Focus on building your future, knowing your investment is secure. More on the project's RERA ID P517000333988 coming up next. Make a splash, dive into the refreshing waters of a sparkling swimming pool, perfect for cooling off on a hot Mumbai day. Get fit, stay healthy, hit the gym and achieve your fitness goals without ever leaving home. A heaven for relaxation, senior citizens can unwind and socialize in a designated, comfortable sit-out area, a perfect place to enjoy the fresh air. Well-lit evenings, stroll along brightly lit internal roads, adding to the charm and safety of the community. Stay connected effortlessly. A secure intercom system allows you to screen visitors and connect with neighbors for added convenience and peace of mind. Let the kids loose. Create lasting memories for your little ones in a safe and imaginative children's play area, designed to spark their creativity and let them burn off energy. Find your inner zen, unwind and de-stress in a dedicated yoga meditation area. Unwind in style, mingle with your neighbors in the comfortable sitting lounge, a perfect place to relax and catch up. A breath of fresh air, beautifully landscaped gardens with mature trees create a tranquil environment right outside your doorstep. A cleaner tomorrow. This project prioritizes a sustainable lifestyle with a well-maintained sewage treatment plant. Eco-conscious living. This project champions a responsible approach to waste with a well-maintained solid waste management and disposal system. Embrace rainwater harvesting. This innovative project utilizes rainwater harvesting techniques, promoting sustainability and reducing reliance on municipal water. Safety assured, rest easy knowing a fire sprinkler system is strategically placed throughout the complex, providing ultimate peace of mind. Dedicated meter rooms ensure efficient power distribution throughout the complex. Never run dry. Experience the peace of mind that comes with a reliable 24/7 water supply, ensuring you're never inconvenienced. Prepared for all weathers, storm water drains ensure proper water flow during heavy rains. Effortless commutes. Ditch the traffic and embrace convenience. This prime location places you just 3.5 kilometers away from Effortless commutes. This prime location places you just 6.4 kilometers from Vithalwadi railway station, a key transport hub connecting you to the wider Mumbai network. Your time is precious. This prime location places you just 7.3 kilometers from Dombivli railway station, a major transport hub connecting you to the Effortless commutes. This prime location places you at a convenient distance from Thakurli railway station, just 5.8 kilometers away. Convenience at your doorstep. This strategic location places you just 6.3 kilometers away from the bustling Gharda circle, a one-stop shop for all your daily needs and shopping sprees. Healthcare at your fingertips. For peace of mind, the well-respected Fortis Hospital Kalyan, Mumbai is conveniently located 6.4 kilometers. Live worry-free. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with having the renowned Ved Hospital just 2.9 kilometers away. Top-notch medical care is always within easy reach, ensuring your well-being is prioritized. Healthcare hero close by. For peace of mind, the well-respected Sparsh Multispeciality Hospital is conveniently located just 7.4 kilometers away, ensuring you and your loved ones have access to top-notch medical care whenever needed. Unwind amidst nature. Find your dose of tranquility at Rotary Garden, a charming green space just 6.4 km. Retail therapy awaits. Unleash your inner shopaholic or grab a bite with friends at the popular Metro Junction Mall, conveniently located 7.4 kilometers away.